Hello guys, you also suffering for the video calling issues for the like a Facebook call, Skype call, any video call is emo, WhatsApp or like this. So whatever you are in your country, they will starting to the ban in all video call application. They have been to block this website. They from there only can possible in the chatting like a only message. You cannot video call for there. So there every website also not supporting or every site also not opening. So in this case guys, what you will do here, guys, myself Padam, I'm going to the explain about these issues, how you solve, how you will be contact your family, or how you will you calling your friends. So friends, here is the lot of ban application here. So if your country also ban these application or this site, so you will going to the download in VPN apps. So here is the Google Play Store is lot of VPN apps. So friends, just you type here is showing here only free VPNs, or some VPNs are the lot of issues, also lot of process also, because of there is the some VPNs are asking the email, some VPNs are asking to money also, asking your debit card, asking like this, showing. And some days is the 7 days is free trial, 1 month is free trial, but there is not supporting. So here I gonna go to the explain is the one VPN is base VPN. It will the very easy, or not asking your email ID, not asking to your country name, not asking your name also. Very easy or very good VPN also. So that's why I gonna go to the explain to you about this uh, issue, or regarding this VPN also. So friends, this VPN name is the uh, here is the VPN ultimately free, but you have to they are also asking here to the email ID or like this. Here is so lot of VPNs are here, but there are also some here also free, but there is lot of process is asking country, asking your email ID, asking this time to taking to time. But this VPN, you just click and starting your process, starting your uh, work here. So this is the hotspot free VPN, but this is not. We want to do the here basic one. Where is that? What shield speed is Wi-Fi here? We want to hear basic one. You also download free VPN showing here, but this is the very good. Like see here, this is the hotspot shield basic free VPN procs and privacy. This application you have to download. This is the very easy. You will showing here also. See how you use. See, like these people are download already. Just click in switch on here. After in a moment, a second, this is already activated. Then after you will enjoy your uh, processing. You want to do video call, you want to the open any site open, you want to the watch any blog, movies blog application you will watch, it will work. This is all when sub to is it will be open already. So here also showing here, see, start 7 days trial in like this, but you don't do like that. Here is the see into here, just click here. After see here this one do open, then here you have to do you have to give this application to the permission. See here, yet not allowed, permit uses, this one do on. Then see here is just click, one click it will start. See here, no need to the wait for the second, no wait for the minute, wait for like this. See, it will stop. So you want to stop it, just click here, it will off like this, friends. So that's why I gonna go to the explain to you about this